Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button if you like the videos we are creating. We create about 3 videos a week, so if you hit the bell button every time we create a video, you will get notified. So today I want to touch a little bit about a video I created I think a couple of days ago, and this was about an employee of the company outsourcing his job to somebody offshore. And how would somebody detect that? So this actually came up in an incident response exercise with an enterprise, and of course the auditors were there in the meeting, and they asked us, it was like, PCSN, how would you guys detect and block these type of things that happen in the organization? So what happened was the employee of the company gave another person access to his personal machine that he was using to connect to company data. So the company never gave direct access to this offshore person. It was the employee who gave access to his personal machine. And so from a company's perspective, it was just like that employee accessing their stuff, when actually it was somebody else remoted into his machine. So the way we detect it is, number one, for companies, when you have people bringing their own devices to work, remotely from their home or whatever, our customers require that those machines have our tools on them. And one of the things that our tools do is it blocks people from installing remote access software. So there's a couple of things that are going to happen. So number one, there's a possibility that somebody already had remote access software installed on their machine before our tool got deployed. So that's one scenario. In that case, what we do is we will detect, because our tool is already deployed on that machine, we will detect when certain external entities access that machine. So if somebody from offshore remotes into that machine, we're going to detect that. It's going to throw a red flag. Our SOC's going to get involved, and they're going to investigate it, block it, get with management, whatever it is. The second scenario is that our tool's not on the machine yet, and the remote app is not on the machine, and we deploy our tool first, so the employee got hired first, and then the employee decides, okay, I'm going to offshore my job, so I'm going to install this remote access software. That employee, because our tool's on that machine, that employee will not be allowed to install the third-party remote app. So that employee, when he tries to install that remote app, it will ask him, hey, do you want to request access to install this? And when he clicks, yes, I want to request access, they have to type in a reason. That comes to the SOC. The SOC will get with management. It's like, hey, this is a remote access app. We're not going to allow access to this. Let's get with management and find out whether we should allow access to this. Maybe there is a use case scenario here. So in that case, we will get with the management. Management will find out, why does he need to install remote access app? And everything will it'll just get stopped right there. So those are the 2 ways that we detect and block these type of things. And we're seeing more and more of this happening, where because there's such a differential in the amount of pay that an employee, a local employee, can have multiple jobs. They can outsource a few of them and then just work the job that they like. I know the times that we live in. So hopefully that will answer some of the questions on how we do it, how we block it, how our tools block it. And by the way, our tools are included in our SOC 2 report, so they are SOC 2 audited. They work really well. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you next time.